Hello everyone, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Again, now about 6 degrees of tornado case. While only a fraction of a percent of wallets have a direct link to tornado case, almost half the entire Ethereum network is only two hops away from unaddressed received fund funds for Tornado, Alberto Crypto, and anonymous researcher from for data shop block on 119 called this the six deaths of Tornado case. Everyone blaming the EFI companies for using complaints sold host the Uniswap front end on their domain with no blocking. DUDX founder Antonio Julianus tweeted this past weekend. The meme that ironically as a way to get people to think about the risk associated with running on non-compliant website, but the same sentiment has been offered as a genuine solution. The first boat taker has been thrown around to describe the decision of Uniswap if and other here, and to some extent, the anger is justifiable at a fundamental level. These applications are breaking at the fungibility of ETH, leading to parallel economies of compliance and gray market tokens that can be used only in certain places to mitigate their own potential liability. DEFI is meant to be an alternative to the traditional economic system, offering money of the same and few new financial services without middlemen, without permissionless access. Crypto is simple instruction, the all why with more convoluted steps. In reasonable to us what separates DEFI from the banks if all its on-ramps serve to report and cancel transactions. There is another way of seeing the situation, however, and this begins with decreasing the importance given by front ends. Most users interact only with Uniswap, IO, and not the comments line. This is precisely the uses. The EFI user should rely on protocol founder to build user interfaces, considering the other risks they are assuming. Dear Craig, editor-in-chief Daniel Roberts refers to this situation and a litmus test. For those who are truly committed to the EFI, but it seems like a false destination. Hang up of rhetoric that is asking developers to run hit fees into legal trouble, while Ethereum doesn't need website to run. As prominent crypto personality or investor Eric Walpat is, let them censor, let them be compliant, let them continue to operate in the open in a way that the government can say they done anything wrong. He added, it is our job to make sure there are alternative backups to access the backends. That's something that's easy to do, requires little coordination, and doesn't need cooperation from Eve. I don't I don't know what it will take to pull a massive redundance of decentralized front ends, but I suspect in slightly unrealistic, but so are the very ends of the EFI, and I suspect strongly disintermediating financial giants and the governments from an economy will take a community. The risk of hosting easy access point to the EFI service should be split between interested parties that will bolster the social decentralization of the ecosystem, assuming that everything technical works and promises. Well, maybe just enough from me. Sorry for mistake. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Goodbye.